go for next program, binary operators. Other binary operators, you already know that binary operators are the relational operators. So relational operators, let me go and see what is the relational operators that was there. Right click, new class, take a new class and name it relational operators. Okay, and click on finish and give the main method. Okay, now say take two variables, int a comma b. I am assigning some values directly. A equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Now we will write, we will go and use all the relational operators. See, so I want to display a less than b. It is a expression, and similarly I can use other operators here. A less than or equals to b, a greater than b, a greater than or equals to b, a not equals to b. These all are relational operators. Greater than b, a greater than or equals to b, a not equals to b, and I am also going to use the comparison operator here. The comparison operator is a double equals to b. Okay, save it. So what is the output, students? What is the output? First, what is the output? For first statement, what is the output? A less than b. What is a value? 10 and 20. Generally, if you write all arithmetic operators, for example, arithmetic assignment operator, we are getting a value, and arithmetic operators also we are getting a some value. Whenever we are using the relational operators, there is no value, there is no output for value, there is only telling that it is true or false. So whenever I am going to perform a relational operation, for example 10 less than 20, then what happened? 10 is less than 20, it is right, so the output is true. Similarly 10 less than or equals to 20, it is right, yes it is right, so the output is true. Similarly, I am displaying a greater than b. A is 10 and b is 20. So 10 greater than 20, 10 greater than 20 is not, it is false. So the output is false. 10 greater than or equals to b, that means 10 greater than or equals 20, it is also false, because 10 is not greater than or equals to 20. Next, 10 not equals to 20, yes, right answer, true, because of 10 is not equals to 20. Next, 10 is equals to 20, no, it is false, because 10 is not equals to 20. Comparison, this is comparison. Now, so right click and run my application, run as Java application. So we will get the output true, true, false, false, true, false. Okay, true, true, false, false, true, false. So this is for the relational operators. Relational operators, whenever we perform some operation, we will get only the true or false, that is the boolean value. Boolean value is nothing but a true or false. That's why we are also going to store an expression like this. This type of expression can be applicable for any boolean variable. Students, you understand? Okay, next.